Dear ladies and gentlemen, dear integrative medicine practitioners, dear holistic medicine practitioners, let me introduce Bioresonance Diagnostic System DIANEL with Bioresonance Biofeedback testing and Endogenous Bioresonance Therapy. This machine helps you to make psycho-physiological testing that is usually responsible for somatic problems. So we test psychophysiological condition and see the reasons. So the first video is about how to test patient. First of all, patient should sit in comfortable position, take off earrings, rings, neck chains, far away cell phones, more than 3 meters, and we should collect correct anamnesis in specific interactive anamnesis window. After we have done it, we click next and we upload the preset the COVID-19 therapy. We have made this preset or list of organs, 51 organs included, 2 test organs, and basing on the condition of every organ, we will make therapy with next step. We click research. According we have select 51 organ, our testing process will take about 4 minutes because testing speed is 12 organs per minute. So pay attention that emitter is pointed to the head of the patient. It is not on the front of the eyes. Patient can look on the screen. Patient can close eyes and relax. We use comfortable electrodes with elastic belts that is very easy to connect to the patient. In the top of the screen, we see green line moves. This is indicator of the common testing process. During testing process, first we measure bioresonance biofeedback graph, and basing on this graph, we put markers of functional condition on the organ above it. Every marker description we put in printout. It is written in the window of test if necessary. But it's possible to click pause to read the name of every marker. We use term homeostasis. It means biological balance. That is a healthy condition. When we have biological disbalance, so disbalance between red and blue graph, it means non-healthy condition or dysfunction. Pay attention. To make anti-COVID therapy, we test main organs of basic catalog. We test important organs that is included in cleaning of blood. It is liver. We test kidneys. And of course, we test breathing system in details. Additionally, we test lymphatic system, main parts that is connected to common health condition, and of course that is connected to breathing system, because lymphatic system is very important to detox the body, detox the organism from COVID toxins, and very useful rehabilitation after COVID-19 disease. So after we test organs, we test the bacteria that is a reason of problems after COVID disease. And of course we test COVID and SARS-CoV-2 and funguses different like Aspergillus niger, like Candida, because of suppressed immune system after COVID disease. It is important to destroy such microorganisms to help patient for fast recovering after COVID disease. The process of testing is finished. Research completed. Okay, next video will be how to make selection of health improvement remedies.